Hello, my name is Indus4. Do I remind you of anyone? Pure coincidence. I'm a machine tool, all to myself, a concrete result of Delaware's innovation. Let's go. Catch me if you can, because I'm not about to stop. My designers have understood that business continuity is an absolute necessity. Reactive maintenance? Preventative maintenance? Pfft, are you serious? Have you had a good look at me? Today, big data technologies, IoT, and all the sensors I'm crammed with tell you everything about my real state of health. Let's go back to basics and forget all this conceptual talk. Predictive maintenance is the perfect illustration of how the combination of all these technologies can help industrial manufacturers in their transformation, as long as one knows how to integrate them. SAP's cloud platform enables you to monitor your equipment in real time. Too many vibrations here, overheating there, a little too humid, abnormal noise or wear. By combining millions of items of data and machine learning, predictive maintenance determines the state of health of your equipment and raises the alarm. The alarm is then sent automatically to the ERP platform on S4. This directly sends a notification to the technicians on their mobile devices, so they can take the right action at the right time. And this maintenance can be augmented by HoloLens headsets to provide assistance and by quality control tools. Thanks to its global Industry 4.0 offer, Delaware can simply and efficiently monitor your industrial means of production by escalating this same data. This is how the Delaware SAP offer can reduce maintenance costs by 10 to 40%, reduce failures by 50%, and cut outlay in new machines by 3 to 5%. With us, come and explore the multiple use cases in an agile manner and industrialize the most promising ones to take things further. Much further.